In honor of love, we will be designing each and every single one of these earrings, and you can do it too. It only takes 3 simple steps to create all these designs. So let's get started. For today's project, we're going to keep it simple and we're going to need some eye pins. Now, eye pins come in different colors of wires. And they also come with little decorations at the very end to hold your bead. So this one here that I have is a measurement of about 2.5 inches, and it has a flat area at the end. Sometimes they come with a little drop or a little ball at the end. Let me show you some gold ones that I also have we'll be using today. These are a little bit shorter and they have a little loop at the end. Now let's say you don't have eye pins or you don't want to go buy a whole bunch of eye pins because you're not making that many. So let's see what else we can do here. We can use good old plain wire. And I'll put the gauge up for you on the screen. And we're going to cut a piece of wire at about the length that you want. I would recommend about 2.5 inches. And let's say you cut that. You now have your wire. I'm going to use this piece here, this tool. You don't need it, but it definitely helps you make the wire as straight as possible. The wire as straight as you can. You're going to make a little loop or a little design at the very, very end, which is going to help you hold the beads. So let's do that. And you can keep it simple and just make a little tiny loop here. There's my little loop, and I can go ahead and adjust it and make it so that it's straight, or I can just leave it like that. There you go. There's your handmade wired one if you just have wire and you don't want to buy the eye pins. And here's a few examples what you can use if you want to buy the head pins. Okay, and let's make a simple earrings. And the great thing that you want to do with these, look at that, is vary your beads. Don't make them all repetitive if you're making different ones. I just chose this elongated bead here. It's a really pretty color. And of course, I'm gonna put in some of the moonstone heart. And what you do after you feed it through here is we're going to make a loop at the very top. So you'll want to bring the wire this way, flip it over. There's your loop. Now we can straighten this loop here. Don't worry about it being perfect. It doesn't need to be. You can always go back to it and adjust it as you please. Now that the design of your earring is done, we're just gonna open up these earring wires. And there you go, some simple earrings in about 3 steps. And now what you're going to do is you're going to repeat this exact process. I really appreciate you guys spending your time with me. I hope this gave you some inspiration and some ideas on a simple project that you can do. Like and subscribe. I'd love to have you join our community, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care.